Viewers, let's shift our focus to the national capital. The Delhi Assembly is going to start its proceedings at 11 a.m. today. It's going to be a stormy session because remember, during the last session, the CAG report on the liquor scam was tabled and there was a lot of ruckus in the Aam Aadmi Party. Along with that, the Delhi Chief Minister is going to move a motion to appoint Mohan Singh Bisht as the Deputy Speaker of the House. So we'll have to wait and watch, viewers, as to see what really happens today inside the Delhi Assembly. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Riyanka. Riyanka, what are we expecting in the Delhi Assembly today? Because remember, during the last session, there was a lot of ruckus. 21 MLAs were suspended by the Speaker for creating ruckus after the CAG report was tabled. There are 14 CAG reports there. How many of them will be tabled today? And what is the procedure that will be followed by the Chief Minister while nominating the name of Mohan Singh Bisht, a very old Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party, as the Deputy Speaker of the Delhi Assembly? Riyanka, over to you.
Well, there are going to be several developments that we will be tracking in today from the Delhi Assembly as the session will once again resume, and it is expected that there will be fireworks that will be witnessed once again. But to witness that fireworks, we have to have the opposition in the place. But on the other hand, remember, previously when the session was happening earlier, day before yesterday, Vijayendra Gupta, the Speaker, had in fact suspended 21 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. So on that note, we are expecting that there will be protest of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs outside the Vidhan Sabha premises. But on the other hand, a very important business that will be also seen today, where Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will in fact be moving a motion to elect the Deputy Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha. That will be six-time MLA as well as a senior BJP leader Mohan Singh Bisht, who had won this time from the constituency of Mustafabad. He backed that seat from the Aam Aadmi Party MLA previously, and we are also going to be seeing that this motion by Chief Minister will be seconded by Manjinder Singh Sirsa, the Environment Minister of the National Capital. On the other hand, there will be another motion that will be moved for the same, which will be moved by BJP MLA Anil Kumar Sharma, and that motion will also be seconded by BJP MLA Gajendra Singh Yadav. So yes, two motions that will be moved today in order to elect the Deputy Speaker of the House. And we know that Mohan Singh Bisht, the lone nominee, will be easily and smoothly be elected for the post of the Deputy Speaker. That is something, an important business of the House, as well as discussions on the CAG report, especially the one we had seen what gotten a lot of fireworks from the Aam Aadmi Party in terms of the financial audit of distribution and supply of liquor in the national capital. We know that, in easy words, it's a liquor scam that will be in fact be talked about today, and we're expecting that other CAG reports, including the one about the transportation as well as the one on the Sheesh Mahal, will be also brought in and tabled by the Chief Minister.